Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing, and I want to give you an idea of how one of our downsizing sessions work. When our team arrives, they will need an hour to get set up for processing. Nothing will be discarded without you. For this client, the area that requires the most decluttering is the basement. But as always, we start with the garage for two good reasons. First, the garage tends to have the most quick wins, items that are definitely keeping or definitely going, so space can be opened up fast. Second, with this opened up space, we can create exit zones, discard, donate, give to, and keep to move. Then, items coming from the rest of the house, including the basement, can pass through the garage as a holding place until trucks back up to the garage and remove those items. After the team sets up the garage contents for processing, you join them for the first review. Now, everything in the garage is sorted 100% by exit zones, which provides 100% clarity on next destinations. With this system for clutter drainage in place, the team can move on to the basement. The first step is to establish room to work. The team will temporarily move things around so that they have room to process with you. They will also establish nearby discard and donate zones and a sell zone indoors. Then, you join the team again at what we call the decision table. One organizer brings items to the table, one category at a time. The managing organizer has a conversation with you about priorities, which is easier because you are seeing items in categories. There is a context, so it's easier to make relative assessments. The time spent on setup means that we are able to move significantly faster and without confusion. You feel good about your decisions. First, we'll clear what's on the floor. Then we'll be able to clear the surfaces. Clear surfaces then make it easier to process shelf contents. Once we clear shelves, then we are able to update storage. Only after we have surface to sort on and shelves to store on can we go into cabinets and drawers. At the end of the day, the manager gives you a tour of where everything is, while the other organizers wrap up, leaving you with an organized space. Excess items have been slated for removal, and we arrange for the appropriate services for those items to be removed. On follow-up visits, we move on to other cluttered areas throughout your house, applying the same process in every room, leaving you with a calm, decluttered space throughout your home. If you or a loved one live in Fairfield County or Westchester County and would like to learn more about our downsizing services, please contact me at matt@mattbyer.com to schedule a free 30-minute, no-obligation virtual consultation.